Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
I'm standing here to present my some slides. The slides are about mainly two topics. First is intrapreneurship, and the another is franchising. I do not have much time, so I'm going to start as fast as soon. Entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship? Do you know?
No.
Robbie? Yeah. Do you have an idea about entrepreneurship? It's like yes, of course. Yes, it is the practice of entrepreneurship by employees within the organization. Yes?
Yep.
Yes. We know the capacity and willingness to develop, organize, and manage business venture by taking risks is entrepreneur. But entrepreneur is that thing which is the practice of employees, within the organization. There are a lot of organization, and in every organization there are a lot of employees. And employees can generate new ideas. Employees can innovate new things to make better their organization. So, by lying within the organization, if they have new idea, if they can innovate new thing, then the entire process can be called as entrepreneurship. Here we can see, so this is an organization. There are many employees, and all of them have some idea. By standing within the organization, they can innovate new thing. They can innovate new thing, and they may have an idea to make better their organization. So, entrepreneurship is the act of behaving like an entrepreneur while working within a large organization. When we talk about financing, an entrepreneur is financed by a company, and the resources are provided by the company. Now I'm going to discuss about the differences between entrepreneur and intrapreneur. So what is entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person who innovates new thing. He is own boss. He takes more risks and he has more freedom. But in case of intrapreneur, intrapreneur is a person who is already employed in an organization, and he takes less risks, he gets less freedom. And in case of dependency, an entrepreneur is independent in his operation, but an intrapreneur is dependent on entrepreneur. Intrapreneur is dependent on entrepreneur. That is the main difference. Entrepreneur is independent in his operation, but intrapreneur is dependent on entrepreneur. In case of raising fund, an entrepreneur himself raises fund required for the enterprise. But intrapreneur, funds are not raised by the entrepreneur. All the resources and in the context of financing, all the things are provided by the company. Now, intrapreneurial process. First of all, you have to develop ideas, different ideas, and you have to choose the best idea. After this, you should go for planning of your venture, planning of your business within the organization. This is intrapreneurial process. And after that, to protect your idea, you need some sponsor. You have to protect your idea, so you have to identify sponsors. That means the protector of your idea. Now, what are the barriers to entrepreneurship? Do you know barriers? What are the barriers? Barriers means that things which becomes obstacle to something. Yes, that becomes the bar. Here, like in figure, the bar is there. So, what are the barriers to entrepreneurship? Independent nature of large organization. If the organization do not want to grow, no long-term commitment if there is no permanency in future, if there is no certainty in future, lack of autonomy for decision making. What is autonomy? Autonomy means what?
Freedom.
Autonomy means the right to decision ourselves. If you do not have the right to decide whatever you like, if you should ask your manager, ask to upper management to decide, then that is called lack of autonomy for decision making. Another is lack of entrepreneurial talent. It is easy to understand. Another is inappropriate compensation method. If you do better, but your company does not compensate you better, then you may get dissatisfied. Yes, and there is constraint environment. Constraint means over control. Yes, constraint means over control, like autocratic management. So if this type of queries with intrapreneurship, do you have any queries?
Exactly.
Okay. Now franchising. Franchising, after I have most time, so I'm going faster. Franchising is based on marketing concept which can be adopted by an organization as a strategy for business expansion. Franchising always deals with business expansion. Here we can see there is a franchise. There are two parties: franchisor and franchisee. Franchisor is a party that provides franchise to other party. The main outlet is called as franchise, and if it gives other as a authority to open same, then they are called franchisee. Franchise, here you can see a franchise gives a person that is franchisee the rights to market a product or service using the trademark of another business. Here is a franchisor and there is franchisee. There is an agreement done between them. Okay, examples are Baziko Sekwa, KSC, and these all are the examples. Nepal Idol is also an example of franchise. So what are the advantages of franchise? It reduces business risks. It covers market share. Market share is already covered by original outlet, so we do not have to worry about our new outlet. So recognize brand name and trademark, relationship with suppliers, exclusive rights and territory. I'm going to explain the last one. Exclusive rights and territory means you usually have exclusive rights in your territory because the franchisor won't sell any other franchise in the same territory. And then disadvantages are costly, restriction and regulation, risk of bad reputation by others, difficult to sell franchise, profit sharing. You have to share some percentage of profit to your franchisor. And thank you.